Hello, it is I, and welcome to an IRL video on my channel. Yes, wow. Seeing as a lot of you guys have been really interested in my car that I post a lot on my Instagram, which you should totally follow me on, I thought I'd make an update on my 2010 CRZ GT, seeing as I've owned the car for nearly a whole year. And ever since the first video I made with the CRZ, I've added a few little modifications, nothing too drastic, just a few changes here and there. Now before we get into this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. We are trying to hit 170k subscribers by the end of this month, so any help will be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, let us get into
they said they like
this
it when
video.
I rap like this, so I reckon I'm better off giving them that.
Now my first quote-unquote mod I did to my car was actually get it a private registration plate. And yes, it's a very snobby Tory thing to do, but I really like the personalization it gives to your car. It makes it feel just that little bit special. I couldn't make it spell out my name correctly, so I substituted the U with a 3 because it's my favorite number. And this is no ordinary number plate, this is a so-called 4D number plate, meaning it pokes out of the white or yellow acrylic with jagged edges as opposed to the soft edges you get on a 3D gel plate. And if you look below the red, you can see the infamous "It is I" quote from I. So whenever people see my car, they know that it is indeed I. Did that make sense? I don't think so. Now another quote-unquote mod I did to the CRZ was replace the halogen indicator bulbs with LED ones. Now yes, this is not really a mod, but boy are these worth it. Each set of bulbs were worth around 25 quid, and they really helped to modernize the car and hide the fact that it's 10, nearly 11 years old. So now that these fake mods are out the way, let's get into the saucy stuff. Welcome inside my CRZ. Now for all of you CRZ owners out there watching, you know that the steering wheel is not standard. It's actually a custom eBay steering wheel I ordered from the seller. Custom steering wheels. He's based in Poland and he tailors the steering wheel towards you so you can choose the materials, the colors, certain options, etc. Honestly, it was a little bit expensive, like 350 quid expensive, but it's definitely worth it. He's got steering wheels for like every standard car you can think of, and the craziest thing is that I installed this myself using a TJ Hunt tutorial from his 370 build, so yeah, thank you TJ for that. And also here's a question for you guys. I replaced the standard Honda badge on the steering wheel with this red emblem. Would you class this as the equivalent of putting fake M badges on a standard BMW? Let me know in the comments down below, I'd really like to see your points on it. Next up on my dashboard is this Tegawa Imports gauge pod. It's got 3 gauges in there: water pressure, oil temperature and oil pressure. Water temp and oil temp work just fine, but the oil pressure one had no space to connect, so yeah, that's just for show, I'll be honest there. Now why did I get these gauges, I hear you say? Because they look cool when you start the car up. I'll be straight up there, I never really pay any attention to the gauges. I just like the aesthetic of just having it there, just like most people who run gauges in their cars, to be fair. And the cool thing is that they turn red when you turn the lights on. Oh yeah, that's like what, another 50 brake horsepower at least, come on. Moving on, here are my new seats. They are FN2 Civic Type R Recaras that I picked up second hand from eBay. Of course they didn't fit directly into the CRZ, so we had to send it to a shop to get the brackets modified to fit in the car, and it looks like it belongs in the car. It's honestly so much better having these fabric seats instead of the standard leather ones you got, because you slide across the seat whenever you take a roundabout, and it got really annoying. So I'm really happy with the new seats, although they are super wide, meaning they rub against the plastic inside my car, but I barely adjust the seat, so it's not a huge problem for me, though it does still get on my nerves a lot. And moving on to my wheels, and I know what you are thinking, hang on Yuwan, they look stock, and you'll be correct because they are stock wheels. But here are the new wheels that I'll be putting on my car sometime next week. Just like my seats, they are also from an FN2 Type R. They were really badly damaged, so we got them refurbished and powder coated in white because I love white wheels, and don't worry, it's all ceramic coated. 2 of the tyres are illegal, one of them is really illegal as you can see here, hence I'm waiting for the tyres to come through. So once we get them tyres, this car is gonna be transformed. Now for a very shoddy, cheaply done thing to my car, the painted brake calipers. I got a cheap eBay brake caliper painting kit and painted all 4 calipers around my car. I painted them red to match the seats, the steering wheel and the center cap of the new wheels. It's definitely not the greatest job, but hey, at least they're red, I guess. So yeah, getting an A in GCSE art doesn't actually make you good with a paintbrush, believe it or not. And you meet me at the back of the car where something doesn't look standard. These are called exhaust tips for anybody who didn't know. They are 4 inches each, meaning it passes the fist test, and these aren't just for show, because the exhaust now has a back box delete and the pipe actually exits through these tips. They were done by EMP Performance over in St Albans, and I'm very happy with the result. If you look at the exhaust system, they definitely don't look like they have the best flow, but when you have a car that produces 124 brake horsepower, do you really think I care about the exhaust flow? No, I do not. I just wanted the car to be a little bit louder without sounding obnoxious or fart canny, and the guys have done a pretty good job at it. And for all of you who want to hear this thing, Yep, not too shabby for a 1.5 hybrid. And those are all the main changes I've done to my car. Hope it's nothing too risey or out of taste. Now before I go, I've been getting a lot of comments asking for point of view drives constantly, and it's something I've always wanted to do on my channel, so let's wait until the sun sets and go for a little point of view drive. Now before we get into this drive, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, Botb. Botb are the dream car competition, giving away 2 cars every single week. You could either win your car in the midweek competition, which closes at midnight every Wednesday, or the long-standing dream car competition, which closes midnight every Sunday. Tickets start at just 85p, that is cheaper than this. You could win a car for the price that I bought this. Also, there's a chance to win £20,000 in the boot. Now that is a lot of money. There are over 180 cars to play for, from pretty much every make you can think of, including Honda, Mercedes, McLaren, Lamborghini, and a whole mix of styles such as sports cars, SUVs, modern classics, and modified monsters just like the beast that is my Honda CRZ GT. Pretty much a P1. And there's even a cash alternative to every single car if you don't want the car for whatever reason. You have to be 17 and over to enter. Join over 550 dream car winners by heading over to Botb using the link I put in the description or the pinned comment down below. Good luck, now let's get into the drive. It's actually pretty hard driving with the GoPro on your face. So you know what, let's put it into sport mode. I think that acceleration knocked the GoPro's vision angle, so I haven't sport mode, sorry. Oh no, this is the red light which never turns green, or I've never seen it turn green before. We're stuck behind this Corsa. If the Corsa goes, then we go with it. Oh, it's turning green. No way. Come on. I'm getting very weird looks. I've got GoPro stuck to my face. It's not very comfortable, but we move. Okay, so now that we're here, there's a few things that I wanted to talk to you about with this POV. I am considering doing a very stupid thing. I am considering, not going to, I'm considering selling this car and getting all my money I have. Oh, there's a fun fair. To put a deposit down on one of my dream sports cars. I don't know if it's depreciating in value or going up, but I hope it's going down at the moment because it's definitely a car that's going to go up in the future. And this new car which I'm talking about, I definitely can't get insured on it. Okay, you know what, I'll give you a few clues because I don't want to tell you it straight away. Look at that, it's like we're in Vegas. What the hell? Vegas in Letchworth, Vegas. Are you dumb? Anyways, I don't want to tell you guys the car right now, so a few clues to the car. So 1, it's a 2-door coupe or liftback type of coupe car. 2, it's got an engine bigger than 3 litres. 3, it's European. And 4, it sounds really good. It's a speed bump! Sorry. So yeah, I don't want to give you much clues. If you do get it right, I won't tell you because I'm a terrible human being like that. And yeah, look at that Broadway cinema. Just so you know, I live in Letchworth, Garden City. I know a lot of my subscribers, they know this area, and that some of them are actually from here, which I find crazy. I cannot wait. When Christmas comes, they're like Christmas lights all around here, and then like people go there and see it over. It's a very nice little town. I really like it. I'm proud to be from here. I need to look down. I can't look at the faces. I've got a GoPro stuck to my fucking face. Guys, do you know, I watch YouTubers like the other stuff, and he does these point of view drive videos. When he does them, he goes to like villages and like really discreet areas. I mean, at least I'm not in London or something. Look at this color of those indicators, they're white. That's a very nice car. So yeah, that's something you might not know. There's a YouTuber in the UK called The Other Stuff. He makes videos on his 1.2 Corsa limited edition, and his videos are amazing. I highly suggest watching them. He's only got like under 50k subscribers, but his content is fire, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video, because he inspired me. I find it crazy how talkative I am, and nearly crashed into an SLK. For any Americans watching here, UK roads are narrow with a capital R. It's a CRZ! Look at that! Hey, CRZ brothers! I'm not gonna follow him because I'm not a creep like that. And it's a 350Z or Z. I don't know, how do you... I say 350Z because I watch a lot of TJ Hunt. I surprisingly gotten used to this. I just got a GoPro stuck to my face. I really hope it's recorded because I nearly crashed multiple times. Look at that Toyota dealership. I don't know if you can see it, but is that a Supra? Yes, it is. Mark 5, the white one. Oh, I really don't want to sell this car, but I want to because the other car's my dream car, but I love this car. This car gets so much hate. A lot of people call it a Prius and stuff. That's a mobility scooter on the road. What the hell? drop top and that, yeah. So yeah, this car gets a lot of hate by car people, but once you drive it, I mean, especially as a first car, you realize why people love it so much. It's such a lovable car. It's like it gives me the same love that a MX-5 Miata would. And I apologize if this is very dark. It looks like it's very dark. Should I turn the light on? Does that help? Nah, people are gonna look at me more, aren't they? As if having a GoPro stuck to your face wasn't good enough. Sorry. There's a Peugeot dealership. 200k likes and I'll crash my car into it. Autoglim. Did you know Autoglim, the car cleaning product, they're based in Letchworth. That is their official headquarters. How cool is that? I had no idea about that. I nearly crashed my car here with 3 passengers. It was scary. I'm tempted to, I forgot the name of the company, but there's a company in the UK. They gave away Ryan Taylor and Matt Armstrong's cars. I'm tempted to raffle away my car with that, where you buy a ticket for like £5 or like, I'll try and make it as cheap as possible if I do manage to get it there. I'm tempted to just give away the car like that, like £1 tickets, because this car is a very good first car. It's not like a typical Corsa or a Fiesta or like a Polo. Sorry, cars with JB, but yeah, it's a very sick car, especially as a first car. So if you guys can share this video and try and get the attention of exclusive, I forgot the name. Exclusive giveaway? Exclusive something. They raffle away cars. If you guys can get the attention of that, then I'll raffle this car away, 100%. £1 tickets have 4,000 tickets? 5,000? Bass drop. Hold tight the mandem. Raving a lot. Make sure you stack them papers a lot. Don't go splashing all the wages you got. End up broke like mate, you're a flop. Some man buying you trainers a lot. Friday Night Bear, Flavor Ciroc. If you guys know Brucey, yeah, I'm not a big fan of drum and bass, but I love his music. Iron Brew, basket hot like irons do. Oi, shut up, brew. Bass drop. I'm so lucky I did this during the night, because if I did this during the day, people would be staring at my face. Oh no, we're on a red light. People are going to be staring at my face a lot now. I've got the loudest car in Letchworth. Just kidding. There's a Liberty Walk GTR here with an Army-Trix exhaust. Kind of funny that your mum looks like a nun. What the why did I say that? Bass drop. I miss seeing my friends. I don't have any friends. All my friends are American. Green light, 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 green light. Yes! It's lights out and away we go. Hamilton gets a flying star. He takes it inside. Woo! I'm such a weird person. Oh, the ambulance is still there. Have there ever been any COVID cases in your town? Did you know that when there were 5 cases of COVID in the UK, one of them was in my town? That car's headlights are so bright, man. Thank you. And we are nearly home, but I'm gonna stop the recording now. And yeah. Anyways, that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you'd like to see more of these IRL videos in the future, then do let me know. They're definitely more fun to make than the usual videos on my channel. Like I said in the intro, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you did enjoy. Thank you very much. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Stay safe, stay inside. Until next time.
Hey, they said they like it when I rap like this, so I reckon I'm better off giving them that. I Billy be 1 in a million, killing the shit when I hit like a swing in the bat. Average, you and I rapping like this, then the fuckers are bringing it back. If you ain't gonna listen to this, how the fuck you gonna listen to that? Well, you be